This is a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and these are the front brake pads and rotors. So first we're going to push the brake pads up so the piston decompresses and we have more room to work with the brake pads. Then we're going to remove these two Phillips screws that are holding the rotor on. As you can see, there's some space right there. That's what happened when he was pulling those brake pads out and pushing the piston in. Okay, so these are 14 millimeters. There's two of them. We're going to remove them right now. Now we're going to remove these two, and these are 17 millimeters. There's one right there, and there's one on top as well, right here. If you're getting rid of the rotors, you can just smack on them a bit to loosen the rust so they're able to be taken out easier. This way you don't have to use screws to screw them in and push them out. And here they are coming out a little bit easier and not all rusted up.